Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Thank you guys for staying and being my subscribers. But honestly, guys, I'm really sorry. I haven't posted in like over a month, which is really bad. But I think I have good reasons as to why I wasn't posting. And that is what we'll be talking about in this video. This is a life update chit chat. Firstly, it's very cold in East London, so please don't be shocked by this hot water bottle. It's my sister's. I took it when she left it at home last year, and it keeps me warm. I'm also dying from period pain, so that's why it's down here, actually in the right spot. So firstly, I'd like to apologize just for not posting since my birthday. That is just ridiculous. I understand. The whole of April I hadn't posted nothing, and now it's like mid, let's just say now it's mid, because I mean it is mid, like when you're close to like the 10s, so it's mid-May, and this is only now that I post a video, which is like bad, and I'd like to apologize for that. I had such a good flow like in the beginning of the year, such a great flow going, and I quickly crashed. After I posted my birthday video. I did have a video lined up, but I'm a nitpicky person, so I'm a very fussy and picky person, so I didn't want to post that because I felt about, oh no, definitely not this. It's just not gonna happen. And then a couple of things started happening in my life. Some of the things I can't really share in detail because they're not just my story, they also involve other people. So yeah, a lot of things happened in my life. I got some news. Emotionally and mentally I was not okay. Like I think I'm still recovering, but I'm in a better place now. And that happened for like the whole of April. Like even like now, like for me to feel okay, I think I'm getting better, I had to like think, okay, Oyama, you need to just get up now, because you can't just lay in a ditch all day. And it's really not easy to get yourself out of a ditch, especially when everything else is just overwhelming you. So that's what happened. I am so sorry. I'm not staring at you guys, like I'm not focusing on you guys, and that can be very distracting. I'm sorry about that. So yeah guys, I was really struggling with myself and my life, so I just needed like to breathe. I needed to breathe because I felt like I'd been holding my breath for so long, and so yeah, this is where we are now. I had a couple of episodes, just with my mental health. I wasn't okay at all, and then the whole having to go back home and coming back here for Easter's thing. I thought I was going to post a video about that, but that didn't happen too. Right now, mentally and emotionally, I am not okay, but I'm doing better than I was doing the past month. This whole thing is mostly because of me. I struggle with myself, and that affects so many other things in my life. And so yeah, like I'm trying to get better. I'm working on myself every day because it's a daily struggle, it's a daily mission, it's a daily journey. So yeah, I think I'm back. I think I'm doing much better. Another major thing for me is just academics, especially now in May, because we'll be starting exams, and in June I'm on holiday at home in Tata, where I'll have to have e-data to be able to post anything or stay in touch via the internet or whatever. But that's cool, like that's fine. I know how to work around that. So yeah, guys, school has been really tough for me. That is a very hard journey for me, and that's been a hard journey for the past couple of years. I could tell you guys so much about school, but that's a chat for another day because it's long. It's very long. I'm also struggling as a born-again Christian, just with my faith, my relationship with God, feeling like I just have nothing to offer. My heart is just really down. I can't pray. I feel like I can't pray. I've lost the one thing that I used to do when I couldn't pray or read my Bible was to sing. That takes me, like, it revives me. Yes, it revives me, and I just haven't been able to do it. I can't. I don't feel like I can, and it's really hard. Like, I'm struggling. I hope you guys understand the mega that I'm in. I'm not asking for pity, but I'm just saying. I think someone could relate to what I'm going through. School, being a student, being just you yourself, being a Christian or like a person who has another faith. You struggle with so much of yourself that you start feeling disconnected from everything, and you just need some time to breathe. And so yeah, that's what's been happening in my life, and I hope some of you can relate to that. I really hope you guys understand and can relate, some of you. But if you don't, it's fine. Like, I'm back though. I am working on my journey. I'm working on myself. I have a great support system, and yeah, that's all I can say. Like, I'm working with my support system to just get myself through it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Everyone who's at school, I hope you guys are working hard because it's time for exams. Whew, it's time for exams, guys. It's gonna be a sweat and a jog and a workout, but we will get through this, guys. We will get through it. And yeah, another thing, this past week, my friend graduated. You guys are gonna see that at the end of this video. I'm gonna show you guys my friend, guys. She graduated. I'm so proud of her. It's not just her, our friends Tamsanga and Luzuko also graduated. I'm so proud of them, guys. It is such a huge deal. So congratulations, you guys. And my cousin Unololi also graduated again this year. So congrats, Coco. Yes, girl. Yeah, guys, I really hope you guys are doing well. I really hope. Talk to someone. If you're struggling with something, talk to someone, guys. It helps so much. It helps so much. I mean, it helps so much. Or write something down, or record a video like I'm doing. Like, I'm recording a video just to talk to you guys. I've already talked to myself in the mirror about my life and everything, but it also just helps having a reference point of where you were at a specific time. So journaling also does help. So yeah, guys, I really wish you all well and all the best for the exams, guys. See over there, so that we can start working and making amachankura, doing the things that we love doing, or things that we thought were the things we were supposed to be doing because we liked them in high school. But yeah, to an awesome journey of self-discovery for all of us and an awesome life. Guys, my friend is a graduate. Hi, friend. One